Hello guys. So today we will unbox this MacBook Pro. This is the first ever MacBook Pro with M1 chip retail unit, which I'm going to unbox it in India. See, I purchased it from Hyderabad, Conquer Technologies. Conquer Technologies in Hyderabad. They give a very good discount, and if you're able to provide documents, you will be able to get a faculty discount as well, and you can also get a cashback up to 7,000 HDFC, which is the only running offer for this MacBook Pro. So I chose this 512 GB SD card and 8 GB memory card because I don't want to upgrade. If you upgrade this 8 GB to 16 GB online, you will not be able to get cashback or cashback offer. So that is the only problem. So I chose to go with as it is. And 512 GB SD card is very useful when you are in a remote location where you will not be able to plug in, plug out your SSD. Then this is really helpful so that you can store your footage right into the laptop very easily. So that is the only reason I have gone for the little bigger or higher capacity SSD. This is 512 GB SSD. Okay, so this has two USB port, USB-C port or Thunderbolt port. See, I will tell you why I have gone to purchase this MacBook Pro instead of MacBook Air. See, right now I have purchased this laptop not to use for browsing, or not to use only for browsing or other internet activity, watching movies or something like that. I have purchased this purely for productivity purpose. That is, I wanted a compact computer which is more than a iPad, less than a computer. It should be like that. So that is the reason I have gone for this laptop. So I wanted this laptop to help me in video editing, maybe small Excel works and other office related works. That is the reason I have purchased this laptop. So when you come to video editing, whatever the video editing footage you're going to give it to the laptop, it needs a small fan to at least push out the pressure. If you have seen, otherwise the laptop, see, MacBook Air is also able to do the task, but my question is how far it can do it. See, right now we are in a 4K era. We have right now all of us are shooting footages in 4K 1080p to 4K footages. So we wanted to have we don't know what is going to happen in maybe 1 or 2 months. Like if you see Apple, they released Intel machine, and now immediately after a few months they have received a M1 chip. So that is the reason I have gone for a little bigger upgrade, which cost me 30,000 higher or something. But I wanted a which cost me some little bit higher. If you want to go with the 256 GB also, then also it is a little bit higher. But I wanted this little bit power so that I can adhere to the future.